Just one click and your music video is ready to upload on your YouTube channel or TikTok profile with 3 easy methods. The third one is most important and very easy for you even if you are a beginner. Must try it for once. Search on Google Mureka. Open first website. And this is the most powerful and easy website ever for creation of professional music within seconds. Many features available on this website like best soundtracks, music with different genres. For creation of music, just click on Create Music button. Simple sign up by using your Google ID. After sign up, you see 3 different methods: easy, custom and soundtrack. Let's try one by one. First try easy mode. Here it will show you 3 options for your vibe. Choose between them or write your own vibe. I want to create a celebration music. Write celebration. Press the enter button. It will again give you 3 options related to your topic. Choose anyone you most like and it will start writing lyrics in seconds. And your lyrics is ready. Now click on Create button. Your music is ready in only few seconds. Till then, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. Here it is, our music video is ready. Let's try first one. Professional and deep dive in music world. Let's try second one.
The violet hum glows against the wet asphalt pavement, while the moon sits heavy like a gold coin in the dark. We step through the threshold where the air grows.
Just amazing. The length of the video is 4 to 3 minutes. You can easily download it or use this music in your YouTube channel or TikTok. Next, try custom mode. You can add your own lyrics here or write from it. Just click on Generate Lyrics. Tell him what kind of music you wanna create and hit the Generate button. Your lyrics is ready. Click on Use the lyrics. Now add style. You can choose from them. Also choose the voice of male or female. Add sound title and click on Create button. Your music will be ready in magic time. Try first one.
The velvet edge of night begins to fray, while silver strings are brushing dust away. The hollow wood vibrates against my chest, a quiet stir to end a heavy rest.
Romantic and very happy. Now let's try second one.
Velvet edge edge of night begins to fray, while silver strings are brushing dust away. The hollow wood vibrates against my chest, a quiet stir to end the heavy rest.
Both music are very professional, like these are created in a studio. Another amazing feature is you can add vocals, upload your own music, your voice or any video from YouTube link. You can upload your own created music as a reference music. Top singers are also available. You can choose them or use in your videos.
I dreamed of crafting a song.
I dreamed of crafting a song, but the path felt so hard.
Last but not least, soundtrack. It will allow you to create music related to your upload image or video. This is the most powerful mode. For example, I just upload a piano image and in description add happy piano music. It will give me the best piano music.
Sunlight filters through the dusty pane, dancing on the keys like summer rain. Every wooden hammer finds its place, tracing out the smile upon your face. The weight of the world begins to lift, in every chord a sudden gift. The silence breaks in ivory hues.
How realistic and professional piano music it creates. After creating the music, you can create a video for your music. Here are all the music we created. Click any one from them. Choose character you like. Add a background. Choose video visual style and aspect ratio. Your video for music track is ready. Overall, this AI tool is insane and perfect for anyone who wants to create music or love the music, from beginners to experienced. Tell me in the comments what kind of music you create from it. It combines lyrics, writing, vocal reference, multi-tracking, editing and full customization all in one platform. Try it out and explore how easy it is to turn ideas into fully realized tracks.